Prime Minister Xanana Guzmão met with Greater Sunrise Senior Vice President Paul Sullivan and Woodside Executive Vice President Julie Fallon at the Government Palace in Delhi. During the meeting, the Prime Minister and representatives from the Woodside Energy discussed the progress of the Greater Sunrise Development Project and key steps needed to ensure the project moves forward effectively and delivers benefits to the people of Timor-Leste. The government reaffirmed its commitment to developing the country's natural resources in a sustainable and transparent manner to support national economic growth and improve the well-being of the Timorese people.
I had the opportunity to introduce Mr. Sullivan to His Excellency, and we discussed the recent progress on Greater Sunrise since the signing of the cooperation agreement late last year, and the Prime Minister spoke with us about the importance of progressing Greater Sunrise in a timely way. On the technical side, work is progressing well between Woodside's technical staff and the Ministry of Petroleum's technical staff. There have been, I believe, tenders being developed for surveys and similar that need to be done. In terms of the negotiations under the Maritime Boundary Treaty, then those have been progressing well, and all parties are leaning in to try and bring those to a conclusion as early as possible. There was this concept study that was done in 2024, was undertaken by Wood Group as an independent organisation, and that assessed a Timor LNG development on the south coast of Timor-Leste. It also looked at developments in Darwin, with new LNG trains being built at existing LNG facilities, or a greenfields development, so a brand new LNG plant in Darwin. And that study identified that all concepts could be feasible, that there were certain risks with each of them that needed some more work to determine the best path forward. And the Timor LNG opportunity was the one that we've been really working hard on during the time since.